Guys, today we'll be discussing about Json Parser. On the platform down below in the description bar, you can find for the app marketplace and you can search for Json Parser. Here it is. As you can see with the name, the purpose of this app is JavaScript Object Notation. And now we'll be installing it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your specific sub account, or you can choose multiple sub accounts. You can choose them all as well. If you choose a mode, you can also enable automatic feature installation, as you can see here. But for the time being, we will be just choosing a specific sub account, that is location 1. Here it is. Let's install. As you can see, it is successfully installed now. Moving back to Woods, the agency level is loading at the moment. In the meanwhile, we will be discussing the next step, that is moving forward towards the sub account on which we have installed Json Parser. Here we are. As you can see, it is installed. Choose location 1. Here we are now on the sub account level, and now we have to choose the automations to create a workflow to check on the actions are working correctly or not. You can find for the automations here in the navigation bar from here, and you can create a workflow from here and start from scratch. We are here in our workflow builder. Let's check on what Json Parser is adding value to the automations. Create a new action and find for Json Parser. It comes with the action Json Parser as well. You can enter the values, and down below you will be entering the JSON as well. Right now we will be just setting an example. So you can just enter as much values as you can, and from test JSON, save this action, and now we'll be testing our workflows. Run this test and head towards the execution logs. As you can see, the action is executed now successfully. Isn't that easier? Hope you like it. Thank you so much.